Hello all. In this video we are going to discuss about schizocarpic fruit. Before going to the discussion, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share and join with me for more information about schizocarpic fruit. Schizocarpic means mainly segmented dry fruits. So let us discuss. Schizocarpic fruits may be considered as intermediate between achenial and capsular fruit. The fruits breaks up into number of indehiscent single-seeded segment called as mericarp. Seed जमती कि आमे लास्ट स्लाइड रे देखि कि आसले पैराचिस हाइपोजिया बा हमरो ग्राउंड नोट रे थिले सिंगल सीडेड बा आउटर साइड जदि आमे देखिबा तले हमको सिंगल सीड परका लागिवो किंतु भितरे मोर देन वन सीड रही थांती ए जो आउटर कवरिंग थाए सिंगल सीड जोटा हमको अपीयरेंस रो देखा जाए आमे ताको कोन कहे मेरिकार्प बोली कहे स्पेशली मेरिकार्प फॉर्म द चैम्बर और द सेगमेंट व्हिच कैरी द सीड. Seeds are liberated from mericarp when the pericarp get rotten. Here are some examples. Here is compound samara. Here is the seed and the greenish layer is the mericarp and this is the wing. Here also the mericarp, the chamber which contains the seed bearing carpel where the seed is situated. Here is the schizocarp and here the seed is already dehiscent, just the seed coat or mericarp is here. So schizocarpic fruits are of 5 types. First is lumentum, second is compound samara, third is cremocarp, 4 is carcerulus and 5 is regma. Lumentum, what is lumentum? In lumentum, the fruits are constricted in between seeds and usually breaks up into segment containing one or more seeded. Fruit गुड़ाक constrict हो जाइए and segment रे convert हो chamber रे convert हो each chamber bear seed. So lumentum means the fruit is constricted and converted or divided into segments. It's called lumentum. Here is tamarind. I hope to mention the tamarind देखिथिबो. Constriction or chamber clearly not visible, but the seed is, the fruit is here, and here lumentum of acacia. Each chamber 1, 2, 3, 4 chamber are there and each chamber contain a seed. Mimosa में example मध्ये आमे नहीं परिबा. Touch me note जाओ कमे कहूचे. The lumentum means segmented fruits contain more than one seed. Next is compound samara. Here the fruit have 2 or more chamber. Over is encarpus means fuse. Pericarp is extended into wings. It is pericarp अछि it a wing रे convert होइछि. In case of first this is elm जाको हम कहूचे holoptilia and this one is maple. We are already discussed about elm, the wing seeded fruit. So pericarp is extended into wing and at maturity the fruit breaks into single seeded mericarp. Here is the example elm and maple. Next one is cremocarp, where these are the 2 seeded fruit developed from bicarpillary. Bi means 2, so here is 2 chamber ovary. Sencarpus inferior and uniovuled ovary. Ovule is 1 but there is 2 chamber. Carpel is divided into 2. Here is the 2 seed. Looks like a single fruit but there is 2 chamber. One cremocarp and 2 mericarp. Here 2 mericarp split along with central axis to which they remains attached is central axis रे attach रहता दीटा mericarp. It is a typical fruit of family Umbelliferae. Umbelliferae means coriander family. So here is the example of coriander. One cremocarp. As the ovule is bicarpillary and carpus, it contains 2 mericarp inside. And the mericarp is obviously contain the seed. Next is Carcerulus. Here the fruit is derived from superior syncarpus pistil with axial placentation. Axis रे center arrange होइचंती. The fruit splits into many mericarp. Here all the mericarps are jointed. A lot of chambers are there or mericarps are there. Example is hollyhock. Superior ovary, axial placentation, more than one mericarp. Means more than one segment. Last one is regma. It is derived from polycarpillary pistil, means more than one chamber are there which splits into as many cucci as there are carpels. More than one carpels, polycarpillary. So the dehiscous segments are called cucci, single chamber. Regma of casters breaks into 3 cucci. Here caster drum example neji regma is polycarpillary. Here the regma is 3 carpel are there. More than one carpel, that's why polycarpillary. But here is the example of caster where 3 carpels are there and contain 3 different seed. Here is a single seeded with cucci, 3 seeded, and here is a complete fruit of regma. In case of geranium, there are 5 carpel, and as the carpel is 5, the cucci is 5. So here we complete with the schizocarpic fruits or the segmented fruits, and in our upcoming class we are going to discuss about fleshy fruits. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment box. And stay tuned. Let's learn botany. Thank you.